Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Ryan, and today I'm just doing a follow-up video from our last Elliott Wave video on Bitcoin. Last time we made a video, we was right here, and we was literally coming up to this wave here, and I said we was maybe expecting a bit of a pump, as we've got a bit of a dump and then an even bigger pump, and I think we're halfway through that now and just working on this wave to the upside. So let me just recap to what I was saying last time. I'll play a clip, have a little bit of a recap, and then we'll get into the structure at the moment and some targets for the upside. We've got an A wave, and I think all of this is actually B, and I think we've got a little bit higher to come as a B wave. Maybe take out that little bit of liquidity there at the top of that C wave, and then I think we've got to move back down either to break these lows here or even get close. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on that liquidity zone that we've got down there. So as you can see, guys, from that video right there, we came up and I think we marked the top of that B wave we was talking about with the pump we was expecting, and we came a little bit higher than expected, but that's not so much of a problem. And then we dumped straight back down. The dump we was looking for, we actually came back and took this level that we was looking for. Didn't quite get to this level. We might get there in the future. I'm not 100% sure about that at the minute after looking at this wave. But yeah, it's great to see these predictions come into play. But it's not all about the predictions. It's about risk management mainly if you're going to be trading these waves. So anyone can predict waves up or down, up or down. It's literally 50-50 every single time. But the main thing that's going to contribute to profits and profit taking is really risk management and profit taking, as said. So yep, I'm pretty glad with the wave structure we've got at the minute. Really nice ABC, and if we pull the trend-based Fibonacci's at some point, I think this C wave is quite proportionate to the B wave. So let me just do that right now. So if we do pull the trend-based Fibonacci from the top of that wave down to the bottom of A up to B, you can see we came down for this C wave. We pierced the 1.618, which is quite usual to get to the 1.618 for a C wave. Got back above, and now we've come back up in quite an impulsive manner. So I am expecting this to actually be part of a bigger 5-wave move to the upside, and some people could argue that's part of a bigger corrective wave to the upside. Some people could argue that it's part of a bigger impulse to the upside and we're going much higher. But again, I think right here right now it's good to see these wave structures playing out, and many people can say that, you know, the Great British Pound caused this dump and the Bank of England quantitative easing caused this pump, but here it was all in the Elliott Wave structure. So people can say what they want about Elliott Wave. It's just another way of monitoring liquidity levels on the chart. And yeah, let's get some targets for the upside. So if we are to expect a 5-wave move up now in this C wave, or a bigger impulsive move to the upside that leads to higher prices, that don't matter for now. We're just focusing on this short-term stuff for Bitcoin. So I'm going to pull the trend-based Fibonacci's from the bottom of this wave to the top of C, down to the bottom of C there, and the 3.618 is usually a good target for this. So I'm going to go ahead and put a box up at let me get the box up there. Box up at the 4.236 to the 3.618, and I think that's where this wave may be heading now, up to around the 23,000 zone that we've had marked out for quite a while. If you go back to my last video, you can see why I was marking out these zones well in advance, and especially this zone here to enter along perhaps. And yeah, really looking for that 23,000 zone to come into play next. And as I mentioned in my last video, that would coincide with filling this inefficient candle, and then we can just let the market play out how it's going to play out and analyze from there. So I think that's all there is to round up for Bitcoin at the minute. I'm super impressed at the way the Elliott Wave analysis is playing out at the minute. Really glad that we're getting to see the wave structure play out how we was expecting, and looking for that zone to come into play next, that inefficient candle to get filled. We'll analyze from there, but don't forget, guys, it's not financial advice. It's never financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet posting my analysis. It might be right, it might not be right, so I won't base any trades off my ideas, but I hope it's been useful. I hope it's been helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That really helps on my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Cheers.